CONNEXUS is here to represent our idea on the title implementation of Alumni Association platform for university. So let's look upon the idea which we are going to present. We are going to provide an app and a web idea where alumni can have a network, find job opportunities, attend events, locate alumni, and connect with the students and contribute through donation portal. How it going to work? Register, connect, contribute, and grow. The uniqueness we are going to provide is first is NVC architecture. Basically, is a industry-based architecture which we have followed during our project. We have implement user authentication, which we are going to handle using middlewares, schema validation for not getting the garbage data, includes an emergency donation portal, allocates points for every user activity done on the website, creates user groups which increase the interaction of alumni throughout the website. Now let's look upon the technical approach. The technical approach that we are going to take is shown on the right side. Basically, we have a chatbot integrating on a landing page, and also MongoDB is a database which is going to provide all the data to the server and the app. We have many features integrated in the MongoDB, as I discussed, like schema validations and etc. Now the tech stack that we have used is being mentioned below. So now let's go on to the feasibility and viability. Whatever technology we have used during the project or we are going to use in the future are being present on the internet, and only the problem is to use appropriate technology at appropriate positions. So for viability, we have a cloud integration feature which will increase the scalability of our website, and through the Firebase we will be able to do that. Now let's look on the potential challenges and the solution we are going to possess. First is user engagements and adoptions. Basically, we have, as I discussed below, that we have a point-based system that we are going to show on the website, like for every activity like donating, creating events, or creating posts, the alumni is going to get rewards for that. For maintenance and content relevance is also a challenge that we are going to face. Currently we are handling it by reporting feature, which will done by the user, but in the future we will either allocate a modulator or a AI feature which will see whether the data is relevant or not. Now let's look on the privacy and security concerns which we are going to face during our alumni portal. First was we are going to integrate our API which will connect it to the college database, which will allow us to authenticate whether the alumni or the student has been studying in the college or not. Now let's look on the next feature, that is the impacts and benefits. The first impacts and benefits that we are going to provide is strong alumni engagement. As it is an alumni page, we are going to have a very good community bonding between the alumni. And next point is the career support. As I had mentioned that in website and app we have a job feature, so career support could be provided by that peer connections. In many times we disconnected with the friends we have in the colleges. For that, peer connection will be increased. Find teammates. Basically, in today's world, finding a perfect person for a perfect tech stack is not possible, but through the group feature that we are going to provide will help to find these tech stack persons, which will help in the project. Now let us look on the support for social cause. Basically, in donate feature, the alumni can ask for medical and for the family issues. Recognition. Basically, the points which we are going to give to the star alumni or the alumni, we are going to take the star alumni from that, and we are going to present on the website, which increase the user interaction or the alumni interaction with the website. Now let's look onto the research and reference that we have used. These are the ScholarMates, Gujarat University, IIT Delhi alumni portal, which we have been taken as a reference. So let's now look. This is my teammates. Let's look on the glimpse of the websites. This is my home page. I'm going to scroll throughout my home page. Now let's look on the chatbot. that we have integrated. Here we can see if I type events, a link will be generated, and I can link will be generated, and we can move to that part. Here is a career opportunity. We can filter, like if I type Mumbai, then we are going to see all the person who are posted a job in Kolkata, then part-time or internship. So there is no such data, so no data is found. Full-time, we can see all the full-times. Now let's look on the success story that we have done. So this is the whole success stories. Alumni can connect and create the success stories. Here we can read, we can like, comment, and do everything that is being provided on the website, and it is user authenticated. Only the user who have created is going to delete, or the admin who is going to do that. So this comment is being deleted. Now let's look upon the find alumni. By username we can find alumni. So here you can see they are star alumni of the college or the universities. Here we can search by their name. If I type Priya here, see CONNEXUS here, see here we are going to see CONNEXUS. So here we can see all the profile. Here you can see what job post he has done, discussion post he has done, groups that he has joined, everything that the activity is being showed. You can also see the privacy, that we have not been logged in through the CONNEXUS profile, so the date and birth and the phone number is not being shown, as a data privacy is a main factor that we are providing in our website. Success stories, payment, whatever the payment he has been made during his time, and also the donation. See here you can see the CONNEXUS had made that amount of donation. If you click on that, you can see where he has donated. So now if you click on the Ritesh, here you can see Ritesh profile. So now let's move on to the next part, that is the donation part. Now you can see the donation part. Here we have emergency donation thing. Whatever donation who are in a category of emergency are made will be sent to the all the alumni who are present. Here you can see all the amount of payments. See, Ritesh has paid that amount of it. A transaction ID is also been allocated that this person has done. Here you can see the gateway integration. It is a proxy gateway, but is it fully functional? All the elements of the gateway is functioning. Now you can see the events, say, or whatever events is happening in the alumni community or in the colleges, that had been shown. So this is a whole interface of an event. You can see image, like, join the event. We can see delete button, because this person has only created, so the delete button is shown there. So now look on the next feature, that is discussion. Basically in discussion we have all the discussion related to help, job, internship, general queries, and many more functions we have. So now look on to the next part, that is the notifications. Whatever the activity he has done on the website is being shown. Like you can see the time and donation, at which time and at what date the event was created. If you click on the link, you will be redirected that whatever action you have done that time. This was the whole glimpse of the website that we have been doing. So thank you for showing us. We have also one feature, that is logs. Whatever activity is being done is being saved in this log file, and after every 14 days it's being deleted if it's not required. If we want, we can save it that also. So that was the data privacy feature. Now let's get back to the PPT, and that's all from the CONNEXUS team. Thank you. Feeling disconnected? CONNEXUS.